Hi guys, today I'll show you how to enable and disable automatic windshield wipers in Volvo XC40. On the right side steering wheel lever you will see this big button in the middle. This is the rain sensor button. The rain sensor automatically starts the wipers when there is water on the windshield. When you press it, you will see the rain sensor icon in the instrument panel. And this is the icon. This means that the rain sensor is now active. Now, whenever it rains, your wipers will automatically turn on, even if the lever is in the off position. To deactivate the rain sensor, you need to press this button again. When you press it, the icon will disappear. And now, even if it rains, your wipers won't automatically turn on. In the manual mode, every time you turn off the vehicle, the rain sensor will turn off as well. But you can enable the automatic mode. Before you turn off the vehicle, make sure that the rain sensor is on. The icon is on the instrument panel. Now I will turn off the vehicle and we'll need to go to settings, guys. Swipe it down, say settings. You have to go to my car. You have to go to wipers. And here you will see rain sensor memory. It remembers previous setting. So basically what it means, if I choose this option, now it will remember the last setting for the wipers that you have made. So if you choose the rain sensor to be on, it will keep it on all the time. So now I will exit from the menu and start the car again. And let's see. And like I said, guys, we can still see the icon. This means that the rain sensor is on and it will start working automatically whenever it starts raining. And if you turn it off and leave it off and turn off the vehicle, the next time you start the vehicle, you won't see it on the instrument panel. And this is how this setting works. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.